Hey you guys, today's video is about the skincare products which have changed my skin for the better. So let's go. So firstly, to remove makeup, I don't think I can live without this. Clearly, I have 3 tubs of this. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm in the charcoal version. You can see this is how it looks. It is absolutely beautiful. I haven't used this one. I have 2 other ones. One I've finished almost half of it. It removes my makeup so easily and effortlessly. I love this one. So I cannot recommend you enough. The second thing which I absolutely love for removing my makeup, again I have 3 bottles of this. This is the Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser. So this is how it looks. I absolutely love the packaging. Again, as you can see, it looks so beautiful. Comes with a pump. It's very cute. Again, it removes makeup very nicely. This is more like a cleansing gel kind of a formula. However, this one is a balm kind of a formula. So 2 of them also varies within the price ranges, but I love both of them for it is. I usually use this to remove my extremely heavy makeup and then go ahead with this one as my gentle cleanser, or if you want you can just apply it by itself and remove the makeup easily as well. The next cleanser which I use every single morning, and I have finished 2 of these, is the Squalane cleanser from The Ordinary. Literally you can see these are the empties. I have one in my bathroom right now, and I also have a backup of it. I love it that much because it is just so good. It is the perfect gentle cleanser if you have a sensitive skin, or if you just don't want a cleanser which is too harsh on your face. I feel like this one should be your go-to. So yeah, again I loved it and I've seen such great difference in my skin. Let's just start with this one. This is the Acne Squad Kickstart Cleanser. This has salicylic acid in it. Again, Acne Squad is such a great brand which I recently discovered this year. It is so good. It works really nicely. It has salicylic acid which helps in reducing your pigmentation and keeping your acne at bay. So something which is what I like. Also great packaging, and you get like a lot of product in it. The next one is a scrub. You can say this is a this has like very small minute particles of scrub. This is not like the harsher scrubs which you get in the market, but yeah, this is the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Scrub. Again, I really like it because of the consistency of this and the texture. You need really little to just go ahead and apply it all over your face. That's why I have loved this one, especially for my skin, to remove the dead skin. A little bit on the expensive side. This is for 1795, but I think it will last you a really long time, and I don't really scrub my face all the time. It's just like once a week, or once in 10 days or something like that. Let's move on to the most exciting part, which is the serums, because I just love serums, and I have quite a few recommendations which have changed my skincare game when I saw that. So any which ways, there will be Ordinary in that, in any of my skincare videos. I've been using the Ordinary niacinamide one, and this is the hyaluronic acid one. You can literally see I have finished this one. Like, this is very few of it is left. So again, this is the hyaluronic acid. I love it. Ordinary products have changed my skincare. I had really bad acne in 2020 and started using the niacinamide one, and that changed the game for me. Since then, I am a loyal Ordinary skincare user. I have at least 1 or 2 products of Ordinary in my skincare routine. So yeah, it can be a cleanser, it can be a eye cream, or it can be a serum. But yeah, the hyaluronic acid one is also really nice. I also have received the salicylic acid, but I haven't tried that. Okay, the next cleanser which I've seen a lot of difference in my skin from is the Acne Squad Breakout Blocker Serum. Now I would like to show you the amount of amount is left in this bottle, which is literally just this much. As you can see, I have used this to a lot, like literally. I think I have also created a video, like a sponsored video, and because I really love this brand. Trust me, you are missing out if you haven't used Acne Squad. They have some amazing products. This is the Breakout Blocker, which contains 2% salicylic acid, and trust me, I've seen a difference on my acne marks and pigmentation. It literally is a blocker for my pimples. You won't get any pimples if you use this serum. Next up is the Plum Vitamin C. I've been using this since 2020. It has been my absolute favorite staple. I have a backup of this because I just love it that much. This serum has, I've seen that serum on my face, and like I can see the glow and the difference in my skin when I use the Plum Vitamin C. Again, this is 15%, so if you are not used to, that much of higher percentage, percentage, I would recommend you to start off small and then use a higher percentage, but I am very well used to it. So yeah, again, plum 15% vitamin C, love it a lot. The next serum again which changed and I was so surprised is the Nykaa 10% vitamin C Illuminate Skin RX serum. So this is from Nykaa Skin RX. This is the 10% vitamin C. I think they also have a 20%, but I feel like the 10% one is also good. Again, I have finished one bottle of this last year. It is such a good serum. As you can see, it is very, very lightweight. So that's why I love it. I have one more backup of this because I absolutely love this serum and I've seen physical changes in my skin and my acne marks and pigmentation whenever I use that. For my moisturizer, I feel like this is something which I have like more backups of, which is, I feel like every product here has backups. I have backups of all of them because I love them that much and they've literally changed my life and skin. So I'm talking about the Foxtails Hydrating Moisturizer. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, as you can see over here. And again, this one is finished, literally finished. So I have two of these. Again, this is a perfect ceramide moisturizer. I cannot even tell you how good it is. Like, I recommend this and the Requil one and the pink fondy one to literally everyone. Like, go ahead, if you have dry skin, trust me, you are going to love this one. I usually use this in the night and then in the day I use something lightweight like the Pond's or the Cetaphil one, but this I feel like this is a staple. I will keep going back to this often. Let's talk about spot treatment. For that, I have Acne Squad. Again, you can clearly say that I love this brand so much. So I have the Breakout Terminator Spot Corrector. This is the green packaging. So Terminator Spot Corrector is basically, if you have a pimple, you just apply it, apply the lotion liquid on the pimple and then it will go away. And then this is the Super Savior Spot Corrector, which is basically you have to apply this on your pigmentation marks. I'll show you an example. So this pimple, if you can see or not, I'm not sure, this one right here, I had like a bigger pimple. I applied this on top of, you know, that, and literally the next day the pimple was broken and now it is in the healing phase. So this is literally the perfect, if you are getting a, you can feel like you are going to get a pimple, just apply it. It's going to suck the pus and everything out, you know, like your skin is gonna, your pimples are gonna go away much faster when you apply this one, and then finish it up with this one, and you know, you can treat your pigmentation process in that way. For the sunscreen, I feel like something which is truly I've loved and I have backups of is the Dermaco 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. I have literally by heart, like it's literally on top of my tongue, like I don't even have to see the name, I can tell that right away. I've finished two of these. I have backup of this. This is my third one. Again, I absolutely love it. It is such a lightweight SPF. Again, like just look how easily it gets blended without, you know, getting a white cast. That's what I absolutely love about the Dermaco. So yeah, thank you so much. For lip balms, I cannot do without my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I think I have finished this one. Yeah, this one is completely over. So I am using a second bottle of my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I use this every single night. I have very dry chapped lips, so I always have a backup, and this has literally saved my skin. Something else which has saved my skin is the Aqualogica Lip and Plump lip balms. Again, luscious tinted lip balms. I made a video on these on YouTube and Instagram as well. And this is something, a great alternative if you don't want to invest something, you know, invest a lot of money into a lip mask or a lip balm. This one is also really good. I love the packaging. It does hydrate and keep your lips moisturized for longer periods of time. However, if you don't want tints or colors, then you might not like it, but you know, I don't really mind it. The tints are pretty sheer, I would say. So yeah, really like this one. So these were the skincare products which have saved my skin, and I will keep on using them, and I absolutely love them a lot. Links to all the products will be mentioned in the description down below, so make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.